Hi there! In the next 2 minutes, you'll master the Stocky Desk Help Center, your one-stop hub for FAQs, policies, and every help desk you run. From your help desk list, glance to the top right. See that Help Center button? Click it, and a fresh tab opens. Welcome! Here's a tidy directory of all your help desks and your most asked questions. Need to hide or show a help desk? Head to Help Desk Configuration, then General Settings. Toggle visibility with a single switch. Every help desk card comes with its own ticket form and email. Copy, paste, or pop the help desk URL to your clients, they'll land exactly where they need to be. Clients can raise a ticket right here or copy the help desk's email address to share internally. Zero confusion. Give each help desk a clear title, a snappy icon, and a short description. A tiny polish that makes the whole page feel effortless. Include FAQs, policies, and detailed information about each help desk's products and services. This makes it easier for your clients to find answers quickly, saving you from repeating the same responses over and over. And that's it. Your Help Center is now a well-oiled support machine for you and for everyone who needs a hand. Catch you in the next tutorial.